Hi everyone, welcome to the video. In this one I'm going to talk about my top 5 selling videos on Shutterstock for the last 12 months. At number 5 is my video of a Canal cruise boat heading towards the modern skyline of The Hague, and it's an editorial video, and it was taken on my Panasonic video camera, the FZ300. I only sold one of these videos in the last 12 months, or this video only once on Shutterstock, and it earned me $11.22. Okay, across to the other side of the world now in Tasmania, where we went to a fish hatchery, and in the ponds of this fish hatchery were Atlantic salmon. And I got up as close as I could so there were no identifying objects around the video other than just water. And I videoed the Atlantic salmon coming up to feed at the surface of this pond with my iPhone 2020 at 4K at 60 frames. On Shutterstock I've sold that only once, but it was for $16.94 as a commercial video. Okay, on to number 3 now, and it was of a walk I took a few years ago on the beach, and I came across this gannet trapped in plastic. And I had my iPhone 4 with me, which only shoots 1080 HD video. And I got a close-up video of this gannet. And on Shutterstock it has sold 50 times, but mostly cheap subscriptions for not much money. In total that's made me $22.67, that close-up video of the gannet trapped in plastic. Number 2 now, and that is actually a wide-angle version of the gannet trapped in plastic. I always recommend to try and get as many angles of a subject as possible, and I did that in this case. I took some close-ups and wide angles of the bird, and I sold that video 5 times, and that has made me $24.42. And now a political protest that went on in The Hague a few years ago, and also taken with my old iPhone 4, only in HD 1080, and I've sold this video twice over the last 12 months. And it was at the Malieveld in The Hague, which is a big field where protests are allowed to take place. And from all over the Netherlands, thousands of farmers came with their tractors and vehicles to this area. And I managed to capture quite a few videos of it with my iPhone, but this one is of a very large crowd of farmers, and in front of that crowd are a number of tractors driving past me with the skyline of The Hague in the background. So it's got quite a bit going on and tells quite a story. I sold that twice for a total of $31.20, and that's as an editorial video. Now, I don't know if I'm getting obsessive about frame rates now, but a question to you guys. I know a lot of commercial customers film at 24p, but also a lot of videos can be filmed in 60p, where you can slow it down to 30, so it's half speed and you get slow motion. Or you can also just film at 30p as a normal frame rate. What do you guys do when it comes to uploading your videos? Do you upload, say, one video in 24p and one in 60p? Or do you keep it at 30p and just let the customer decide what frame rate they want? I'm interested to know whether I should be uploading separate videos at 24p if I can, and then another video at 60, for example. Anyway, I'll be looking forward to your feedback, also about how you have been doing with your video sales. If you found this interesting at all, give it a like, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye! I just saw your oysters here. Would it be okay if I took some photos of them and used them for my stock photography?